Right now we're at Hogarth Secondary School and we are here for the Kwanzaa event.
We got an invitation through the Center for Black Excellence to attend a Kwanzaa celebration as parents, and so I responded to the invitation, and here we are celebrating this fantastic event we call Kwanzaa and just spending some time together as a community.
The activities we engaged in were a drumming session and cornbread making.
It was really fun to bake with everybody because I got to bake with my family and my friends, and it was really fun to just have everybody collectively bake together.
And in between those sessions were also a little bit of information about Kwanzaa and celebrations.
There's lots of families and lots of students. I see kids from, looks like kindergarten right up to the high school age. So there's a real feeling of fellowship. It's really nice.
Kwanzaa is an African American holiday rooted in 7 powerful principles. Tonight is a beautiful night where we're bringing those principles to life.
I particularly like the one of the 7 principles, that is Umoja, which means oneness. That oneness, when communities come together to celebrate each other, it's powerful. And I love that YRDSB is doing this for this community right now.
I feel like it's important for our school to host these type of events to bring the Black community in this area together, and that we're able to relate to something on a deeper level with our spirits.
Black students in YRDSB, at least where I live, there aren't too many of us, so it's really great to stick together and talk about our culture and really embrace about ourselves and each other.
Not only are we honoring those who came before us, but we're sharing these rich cultural traditions with others.
I really enjoyed the food and also all of the welcoming people here that supported us today.
I feel like we all had fun and that we all enjoyed it together.
Personally, my favorite activity was making the cornbread because I like to cook and learn about food.
I found it really fun to make and really familiar.
My personal favorite activity was drumming because it really taught us the importance of how music and culture come together.
We were doing some Nigerian drumming with the djembe drums and Baba Runde, and he was fantastic. It just made you feel like you were an actual drummer, even if you couldn't keep a beat.
I liked how he interacted with everybody, and everybody got a turn to shine.
This is my first Kwanzaa event, and it was really cool.
This is personally my first Kwanzaa experience, but it won't be my last. Engaging with different people, learning about their culture is something that I love to do.
I'm hopeful that as the years roll by, that YRDSB will have many more meaningful engagements such as this one, so then families can always feel like they matter and they belong in the buildings, and that they can contribute positively into our great board, YRDSB.
Thank you.